Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This here is a eucalyptus wood buffet storage table. I'm going to give you a breakdown of everything about this measurement and weight in this here review. So this is what it looks like up close. This is a brown color. I believe there's a variety of colors. This one has the brown espresso, I believe is the actual official color. These are rated to hold right at about 220 pounds max as far as weight capacity. Their measurements are 18 inches deep by 30 inches high by 48 inches wide in this example. I'm not sure if there's other sizes, but this one here. This thing weighs about 40 pounds and it only requires 8 screws that come with it. On both sides, there's 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. It comes with all the provided hardware to assemble this. Very easy to put together. It took about less than 10 minutes. And but up close, very nice quality. And it's solid. I mean, this thing is solid eucalyptus. It's rated for indoor or outdoor use. Probably best to maybe cover it depending on the weather conditions, but eucalyptus wood is known for its durability in all types of weather conditions. But this thing is in outdoor use in this example. Very good quality. The bases underneath have little screw feet. So from a leveling standpoint, you can level it out nice and neat to kind of give a nice balance so there's no rocking motion whatsoever. The top and bottom are both slatted. And just a really nice quality buffet table. So if you're looking for a storage table just like this, made out of old eucalyptus wood, solid wood, hopefully this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.